Hey there, this is Hugo. Welcome back to Crypto and Stocks. It's a pleasure to have you guys here again. I'm getting a couple more subscribed the last couple of days. I'm so thankful to you guys. And if it's your first time watching this channel, please go ahead subscribe down here. My video quality has improved and I believe I'm trying to put a better content to you guys every video. So today we're gonna talk about two stocks in the market and the cryptocurrency. So the first stock we're gonna talk about is Tesla. Today is Monday and oh my gosh, I wish I had a crystal ball that I could just see how the market is gonna do today. Tesla is extremely cheap in my opinion right now. $846.34 right now, and it has been 2% up as Friday closing market. I don't really care too much about the pre-market. That's another 1.64% up. You know, that can change in a few minutes, or a Twitter from Elon Musk. So I do not believe, I do not care too much about this pre-market. You know, it's so cheap. Like Kathy from ARK Investment just bought a tons of Tesla, and I think that's one of the reasons that went up. As well, a lot of people are seeing the value of Tesla. You know, $846. I'm probably gonna buy a little bit today as I buy with my YouTube portfolio. We're gonna talk about my YouTube portfolio after in the end of this video. So watch all the way to the end so you can see my YouTube portfolio. So Tesla in the last 5 days, it has dropped about 6.5%. But the last day, that was Friday, came up at 2%. Okay, let's see Tesla stock forecast and price target. It is a moderate buy. Remember, it's in the mid 800s right now. So analysts believe the average price is going to be $1,092.68 with a 29.10% upside. Of course, some analysts are like me, believe that the stock can go all the way to $1,580. I do believe it can hit as up as $1,600. And my lowest prediction for Tesla is $1,300 for 2022. But the average analysts believe that's going to be $1,092. It's still a good profit at 30%. If I can make 30% in every stock that I have, I'll be freaking happy, right? Is this going to be the week that it's going to go up? I hope so. Remember, I think it's on the dip right now. It can go down a little bit more. Unfortunately, it can. But I do think that the next few days, few weeks, we're going to see like a steady increase. I'm not expecting nothing like 10% up or 20% up in one day. But I do expect like 2-3% up every day. And hopefully we go back to $1,000 stock, right? Yeah. The other stock that I want to talk about is NIO. NIO, oh my gosh, I bought some call options on NIO. I bought some call options, and I think NIO, I thought when it was at $30 was so cheap, and now it's $20.90. Again, I don't care about the pre-market. I don't care about the aftermarket. I care about when the market is open, that people are trading like non-stop. So I believe NIO will go up. The problem with NIO, what's the problem with NIO? That's not on the same scale as Tesla. Tesla is profitable. There's a lot more going with Tesla than just the cars. NIO is a Chinese EV company. The cars are amazing. They have they start with the luxury, the SUVs there. You know, from the stereo to the technology inside the car is huge, but it's not profitable yet. And how's the market right now? Scary, and people are not believing in companies that are not profitable. And as well, NIO's in China, so it makes it even worse because China, even though the government tried to help here and there, but most of the time they screw up, with all respect to all Chinese people. But that's why people are selling NIO like crazy. Like the last day is being down 1%, the last 5 days been down 18.77%, the last month it's been 34%, and in the last 6 months been down 50%. Okay, NIO has a strong buy, analyst rating consensus. It's supposed to go to about $59.46, but still an upside of 184%. Some analysts are bullish on the $87 per stock price, and some are bearish with $37.70 stock price. I believe the average $59 price is doable in 2022. So I have some call options that goes all the way to the January 2024, and I hope that I'll banking on those. I really do. We do have some earnings coming, like some big companies like Facebook, Amazon, Alphabet, and I do believe if these three companies show a good earning, the stock market is gonna react well, and I have like high hopes that if this, especially these three companies go up, like we can see a green week for the market would be so nice, because it being a blood bath for the last 30 days. It's been terrible. But I'm a bullish guy. I do believe in the U.S. economy. I think we're gonna go back up. I think we were scared about the Fed meeting with the rate increase, but now that this is in calm water right now, we do know that we're gonna have some increase coming on March. I think the economy and the market, it will just take this a little bit better, and it's not gonna be as scary. And another thing, people have a lot of money in cash right now, and the inflation is eating this cash. So people won't be back on the market. It's starting back investing. So I think as long this, especially with these three big companies, report good earnings, I think we're gonna have a little turn, and we'll have a good week. The only question is that just a dead cat bounce, or it is something that we're gonna see a little increase every week. I don't want to see 10% increase, because I know it will drop right away. But 1-2% every week, that's a good steady uphill for the market. Let's talk a little bit about crypto. Crypto, again, I always go to CoinMarketCap. It's a good website to find my crypto. Of course, we have the metaverse, Bitcoin. So let's see, Bitcoin has been 10% up for the last 7 days. The last 24 hours a little bit down. Not worried about. I like the 7 days up. Ethereum 13.61%. As I said before, when Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes a little bit lower than Ethereum, and when Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes a little bit higher than Ethereum. I love that. It's pretty good. I do have Ethereum a lot more than I have Bitcoin, and I believe Ethereum is gonna hit the 10,000. I always believe that. ADA, it's been only 3.86% up. I do have some ADA. I have some ADA stack as well. I have some Solana. It's been 9% up, 8.91% up right at the time I talk about. But 9% up is pretty good. I do have some Solana, and I have that staked on crypto.com because I like that. It gives me extra gain. So if you have some cryptocurrency, if you can stake those, why not? If you're not thinking about selling, leave that a month, 2 months, 3 months, make some extra cash on top of it. Crypto.com 22% and 22.81% up. I did buy, one was 33 cents, so I'm freaking happy with this. Let's hope that today we got some green on the day, right? And my next one that I want to talk about now is the metaverse. Let's just go to the metaverse and see how my metaverse coins are doing. I did buy quite a bit of Mana and Sandbox in the last week, and that's great because the last 7 days, Mana, the Central Mana, went up 38%. I love those gains. And Sandbox, of course, with Snoop Dogg leading this coin is 41% up. So glad. X Infinity 10% up only. Don't know why. I thought it could be more. And engine coin about 18%. Last week I just bought the Mana and Sen. I did not buy the other coins, but let's see how I feel this week. I definitely gonna buy at least tiptoe a little bit on the Mana and Sen box for sure. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the YouTube portfolio. I do know that I spelled that separate, should be together. So YouTube portfolio is 11.91% down. I did expect that. I did start the year with some tech companies, so I expect that, especially with Tesla and NIO kind of like bring this really down. So my first stock, let's talk about Apple. Apple got good earnings, although it was down quite a bit. Now it's only down 3.90%. I'm happy. I hopefully the next by the end of this week, maybe I'm the green on Apple. Pfizer again, I do not understand why we are 1.61% down. March is coming and the new vaccine for Omicron will come from Pfizer. I believe this number is going to skyrocket after that. AbbVie 2.76% up as well, give you a hefty dividend of about 4%, a little bit 4% yield. Nvidia is down 23%. I did expect that. I'm buying this on a cost average basis every week, and that should lower my cost even more. And whenever Nvidia goes up with the metaverse, it's just gonna be gains and gains and gains. Coca-Cola, of course, it's recession-proof company to do well, stock to do well. It's about 1.23%. Remember, Coca-Cola, you're not gonna see too much of a gain in a year. If you get it like anywhere between 5 and 8%, that's what they're gonna give you, plus the dividends that they pay. Tesla, of course, Tesla is 28.92% down. I do expect today that Tesla is gonna go up quite a bit. Let's see how much it will go. Again, I don't want a big spike because I know after a big spike comes down. ExxonMobil, definitely, I talked about this in the video last week. Really solid stock on the energy level, is 4.5% up since I bought it, and I'm not complaining about it. P&G a little bit down, 1.62% down. I still buying more P&G, good dividends. NIO, this one's hurt me a lot, 40% down. I do think people at $20 are gonna start buying NIO more often now. Let's see what that comes up soon. And my two financial stock that I bought last week, Visa, 13% up. That's amazing. I did not expect to go that much up. And JP Morgan is 2.7% up. That's it for today, guys. That's my YouTube portfolio. Continue following me. I want on every Wednesday start doing something for the young people, how to invest as young, and the rest of the week keep coming up with different subjects. So if you like the video, please do not hesitate. Subscribe. It does help me and does not cost you a penny. And if you see a value in this video, please smash the like button. It does help me so much. And if you have any comment, put a comment down. I love to read comments. I don't have that many, and I'll answer every single one of your comments, okay? You have a great day. Let's hope that's a green day in the market. And you folks, enjoy your day.